Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2003 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, floor mats, rear defrost. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.